Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Google Drive retention rules, detailed guide step by step clearly. To enable Google Drive retention rules, start by signing in to your Google Admin Console. Make sure you access the Admin Console using an administrator account. Once you're in the Admin Console, navigate to the Apps section. Click on Google Workspace, then select Drive and Docs. Find and click on Compliance from the menu options. In the Compliance settings, look for Retention. Click on Retention to enter the Retention Rules section. You'll see options to manage retention rules for your organization. To create a new retention rule, click on Create Rule. In the new rule configuration, give your rule a descriptive name. Choose the specific organizational unit you want to apply the rule to. Select the retention type that fits your needs, such as retain or delete. Define the retention period according to your organizational policies. Decide whether the rule applies to all Google Drive content or specific content types. If applicable, configure exceptions for certain files or users. Review your settings to ensure everything is accurate. Once satisfied, click on Create to save the new retention rule. Your retention rule will now take effect based on the configurations you set. Monitor the effectiveness of your retention rules regularly in the Admin Console. Adjust any settings as necessary to align with changes in policy or compliance requirements. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.